To do this, you'll need a chain whip and a cassette tool. Firstly, take out the axle and place it aside, and then proceed to take the rear wheel out. Now grab your cassette tool and fit it into the cassette. If you try and unscrew it, the cassette just rotates on the free hub. This is where the chain whip comes in. Wrap it around your third biggest gear and apply pressure. The cassette will come away from the free hub. This is a SRAM cassette and removes as one whole gear set. If you have Shimano gears, they will remove as individual cogs. Now go to your free hub and locate the large grooved spline. This will line up with the cassette and should slide on with ease. Finally, without using your chain whip, tighten the cassette. Use it as a ratchet and tighten it clockwise. Just don't over tighten it. The last step is to reinsert the rear wheel and insert the axle.